Welcome to another how-to video. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how to import and export contacts in Outlook. So first, click the File tab. While we are in the File tab, click Open and Export. While we are in the Open and Export tab, click Import or Export. To export contacts in Outlook, click Import Export. You can choose this too, so you can export content. After that, click Next. Scroll up or down to find contacts. Browse to where you want to export the contact, like mine, where I made a contact folder. Click Next and click Finish. To import contacts, click Import Export again. Click Import a vCard file. From here, choose a contact you want to import. For example, if you have one, click Open File. And there you go. That's how to import and export contacts in Outlook. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.